Best 8K video cameras. The demand for best 8K video cameras continues to rise as creators seek ultra-high resolution, exceptional clarity, and future-proof performance. Whether for filmmaking, vlogging, or commercial production, buyers now prioritize durability, advanced features, and reliable build quality. This guide evaluates each camera's design, imaging capabilities, user-friendly layout, and overall value to help you choose the ideal 8K camera for professional or enthusiast-level videography.
Product number 1. Flyfrost 8K 88-megapixel video camera. The Flyfrost 8K 88-megapixel video camera is designed for creators who demand crisp, cinematic visuals at a budget-friendly price. Its impressive 88-megapixel sensor captures rich detail, making it suitable for travel videos, interviews, and creative projects. The camera includes advanced image stabilization, a must-have for handheld shooting, and its intuitive layout ensures effortless navigation for beginners and experienced users alike. The included external microphone boosts audio quality, while the dual battery system offers extended recording sessions. Flyfrost also integrates Wi-Fi connectivity for quick file transfers and remote control via mobile apps. While not equivalent to high-end cinema cameras, its incredible value and strong feature set make it an appealing choice for hobbyists and semi-professional filmmakers looking to explore 8K recording without a premium price tag.
Product number 2. VTech Video Camera 8K. The VTech 8K video camera emphasizes convenience and performance, offering a compact design packed with professional-grade features. Its 8K recording capability delivers stunning clarity, and the high-quality CMOS sensor ensures excellent color reproduction even in challenging lighting. VTech includes a versatile zoom lens that helps creators capture wide landscapes or close-up shots without sacrificing detail. The flip-out touchscreen is ideal for self-recording, and HDMI output makes external monitoring simple. This model shines in usability, providing intuitive menu organization suitable for casual vloggers and aspiring filmmakers. Additional accessories like a 2.4G remote and external microphone enhance workflow efficiency. While it may not rival industry-leading brands in dynamic range or low-light performance, its affordability and robust feature set make it a smart starting point for content creators seeking true 8K capabilities. Product number 3. Taixuo 8K Video Camera. The Taixuo 8K video camera focuses on delivering smooth, high-resolution footage for travel content, home videos, and semi-professional shooting. Featuring advanced autofocus and upgraded stabilization, it produces steady and visually appealing clips even while moving. The camera includes dual-mode recording options, allowing users to switch between cinematic 8K and more lightweight resolutions when needed. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight body improve comfort during long shoots. Taixuo also includes multiple audio input options, catering to vloggers and interview setups. The large touchscreen provides a responsive interface, and its built-in night shooting mode is surprisingly effective for low-light environments. While it doesn't offer the robust manual controls found in premium cinema cameras, it delivers strong performance for the price, making it appealing for creative users who want 8K detail without steep learning curves.
Product number 4. Carl Hip 8K Video Camera. The Carl Hip 8K video camera stands out for its versatility and user-friendly design, making it ideal for families, beginners, and social media creators. It offers sharp 8K recording with vibrant colors, ensuring your footage looks polished and modern. The built-in stabilization helps eliminate shake, while features like face tracking and fast focusing make everyday recording easier. Carl Hip also provides a high-quality external microphone to improve audio clarity, especially in outdoor settings. The fully articulating screen is perfect for vlogging, tutorials, and live streaming.
Its compact, lightweight design means you can carry it comfortably for travel or event coverage. While not engineered for professional film production, it offers excellent value with a well-rounded package of accessories, reliable battery life, and intuitive controls, ideal for users wanting impressive resolution without unnecessary complexity.
Product number 5, MWIRB 8K Video Camera. The MWIRB 8K video camera is built for creators seeking a balance of performance, modern features, and affordability. With its sharp 8K resolution and enhanced color management, it captures lifelike images suitable for YouTube videos, documentaries, and high-quality personal content. The camera's electronic stabilization ensures smoother footage, while the fast autofocus system helps lock onto subjects with accuracy. MWIRB includes practical add-ons such as an external microphone, lens hood, and remote control, great for improving production workflow. The camera's menu system is simple and approachable, making it ideal for first-time videographers stepping into 8K filmmaking. Although it may not match the low-light performance of top cinema brands, it offers excellent value and reliability for everyday content creation. Overall, MWIRB delivers an accessible path to achieving high-resolution video without overspending.